I'm Brian Van, Sportbike, and today we're going to install 2 engine plugs on the 2017 STG R6 project bike. Alright, you could argue that this is completely unnecessary, and I would probably almost agree with you, except for the fact, look at how awesome these look. I love the driven bolt-on parts. These blue accents are going to look great on the bike. These are available in multiple colors, high quality machining, built right here in the US. We're going to replace the oil fill cap and this engine plug over here on the brake side of the bike. This is a pretty easy project. Most people can handle this. We're going to start with doing the engine plug down here. That is a plastic plug that's installed from the factory. Just got a big screwdriver. Unbolt that. I'm going to use this pick to retrieve the O-ring in there. I need that. Okay. I'm going to take the O-ring and wipe any debris off of it before I reinstall it into the new driven. Oh, that thing is just sexy. Look at that. Plug. Keep that just in case you need it down the road. I'm going to wipe this. This is a new bike, so everything's really pretty clean. Just a little thin film of oil is good to have on that engine cover, so that way when you begin to snug this up, the O-ring has the ability to slide a little bit, so you're not running any risk of damaging it. If you want to use a torque wrench, you can do that. This is a very low torque fastener. This is 8 foot-pounds. I'm going to use a T-handle right there. Go ahead and wipe that down. Clean this up with a little Maximum when we're all done. Now let's do the oil fill cap. Both of these caps also. Okay, now here's a good reason for replacing this. Also allow for safety wire use. I'll show you that right here. The corners are drilled out. You could drill, say like that bolt there, maybe this one here, maybe that. Nah, that's a cool one. Probably drill over here, maybe over here. Safety wire that on real nice so it'll hold it in place. We're not going to do that in this video. In this video, we're just going to put them on and tighten them down with the T-handle. But I will come back later as I go through this bike and safety wire both pieces. So, for anyone who's asking, why did he even bother doing that? Why did he do a video on this? Look at how sexy that is. Those things are absolutely gorgeous. They're really affordable, made in the US, look great on the bike. I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com.